This is Valentine Oburu of Pistis Business Hub Limited. I want to thank you so much, First Capital, for the opportunity of joining their equity pilot program where we're seeking an angel investor. I really want to thank you so much for the support. All the teams in First Capital, that is Sela, Mase, Noor, Lydia, and all the other team members, thank you so much. You've really been of support. You've really made it so easy for Pistis Business Hub and my team to be able to come up with the documentations that are really required to really get an investor. So I just want to thank you so much that you really simplify the job, because remember, most of us startups, we don't have the expertise, we don't have the knowledge of what is required to get an angel investor. But I want to thank you so much that you made it so easy, and I recommend anybody who would love to join the First Capital Equity program to join, because the team supports so much and they enable everything to move smoothly. Thank you so much, First Capital, and we as Pistis Business Hub Limited, we are very happy, and we are thanking you so much for all the support. God bless you.